that was the intro and main riff from Fast Car, or my version of it anyway, by Tracy Chapman. Very, very popular song in my neck of the woods these days because of a guy named Luke Coombs. So I thought I'd show you how to play that today. I'm tuned to open G, G, D, G, and I'm going to show it to you in that key. If you want to play along with her, she plays in the key of A, so you can use the same tab that I'm going to give you, but just put a capo or a pencil and elastics or something on the 2nd fret and just follow the tab and everything will be fine. It's a little tricky timing wise. It starts off with a C major 7th chord. 5, 5, 4. And it's a finger picking song, so you're just using your thumb and the first 2 fingers. Generally speaking, whichever finger is on whichever string is the best finger to use. So for this one, you play those 3 notes. Then you slam your little finger down and pull it off. And then you go to the next chord, which is 0, 5, 7. It's a form of a G chord. And then you hit the high 7 and then the middle string. Now there's a count to this, and the count will be written out with the tab because it's tricky. It's 1 and 2 and 3 is silent, which I put in parentheses, and then and of 3, and then 4. That's not the frets, that's the count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Like that one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Like that. Then we go to the next part of the song, which is up here on 12, and over here on 9 on the low string, 12 on the high string. Now she plays 3 notes, but we are only going to play 2. And you just hit that like that. 1, 2. And on the and of 2, you move your little finger down 1, or use your 3rd finger for the 11th fret and the open string middle open. Or you can use your 3rd finger. Whichever one works better for you. And the count to that, once again, is 1, 2, and 3 is silent again, or not played on, and then and 4. It sounds a bit lame slow. But that's the main part of the song, really. That's the hard part of the song. Once you got that, the rest of the song is very easy. I'll just strum through it for you. And I chose some different positions for some of the chords just because it sort of worked out better. The chords I'm going to use are C, G open. I'm going to use this E minor here, 4, 2, 0. And I'm going to use this D here, 2, 0, 2. Now I'll play through the progression just beat by beat so you know how it goes. And of course this part's usually strummed, so I will strum it. So starting with C. C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, then D. measures. C to E minor to D to 3, 4. Does that again. C to E minor to D to 3, 4. Then C to, and 3 and 4 and D. And then you're back to the part. So you'll notice when you listen to it, it's down and up strumming. So it's strummed more like this. So you notice on the E minor that comes right after the C chord, I did a little bit of a push there, or anticipation. So how you do that is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then to D. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. It's just something that she does at that particular moment in the song. And then you're back into the tune. I hope you have fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.